Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm gonna give you just a few tips on how I get rid of white residue and flaking, especially when we're doing our edges, because you know I'm team edges over here. But first things first, if you are new here,
first off, welcome.
All my old-time subbies, congregation, the Rain Gang, Happy Curl Gang, welcome back, okay, for another video. I really don't consider myself to have baby hair. I'm more like, you know, preteen, teenage, adolescent type of hair. God gave me a canvas, a mom, so I just go ahead, you know, and I'm an artist and I'm sensitive about my, okay? So one of my all-time favorite edge controls is the Edge Booster. Many edge controls out on the market will have you for about 4 minutes, and I'm not here for that. You know, I need a whole day of promises, you know. When I tell y'all this edge control is everything, it is $9.99, but it is worth it. You literally do not need but just a bitty. Sis, you don't need a lot at all. I'm gonna show you guys how to prevent flakes and then how to get rid of them once you do get them. So first thing for me that really helps is having a clean edge brush, right? Common sense. So what I noticed is a lot of cream-based products like stylers and even like moisturizers can have an interaction with your edge controls. Can. For me, okay, I can only speak for me. Please hear me when I say that, okay? If I'm doing it over a gel, it's fine. If I'm doing it over a mousse, it's fine. Definitely try using a mousse on your edges first and then maybe laying down or using your edge controls. That has worked for me. Butters tend to work pretty well as far as getting that moisture on your hairline and then wanting to add an edge control to lay down your hair, okay? So with that being said, I always wet my hair, and to first off prevent them for me is using warm water. I'm low porosity, so warm water obviously is what's really helpful for me in styling my hair, but warm and hot water is really good at getting rid of residue, okay? I can just end the video right here. Like this, that's just all you really need to do, sis. Warm water is key.
Boom.
And I actually got that tip from my girl Bree Hall. I normally would take my Pump It Up spray, okay? I've been doing this for years, and you know, put it on my finger, whatnot, go over it. But you really don't have to do that with the Edge Booster, at least not for me. Okay, so now I have pretty much styled my hair. I just put my hair back into a ponytail. Like I said, I've been wearing it lately. So I'm gonna take my scarf for the purposes of this video. This is the Aunt Jackie's scarf. I actually got it when I was in Atlanta when they sent us out for an event. So just say for me, this is one way that I will get flakes, is putting on my scarf, handling my business, doing my makeup, maybe going in the car on the way to wherever, and then removing your scarf. And then as soon as you go like this, may stick to your hair and then cause a flake. So what do? You're already out. Oh my God. Now some people say taking in oil. I just grabbed this oil. This is, if you want to know, Black Castor Rosemary by Jamaica Mango and Lime. Y'all know I love a lot of their oils. They just smell really good. They're light. They're effective. So I just grabbed this because it's close to me. But what I tried on my daughter was just taking a little dab of oil and then just putting it on. But for me, I'm totally different. That's just not always the case for me. Sometimes the oil might mess with the edge control or the gel, and then my hair is like starting not to really like lay the way I want it to. If I wasn't at home and I had to, you know, be somewhere, I would just go to the bathroom.
Move.
Okay, run some hot water on my finger and literally dab it on, and my white residue and the flaking would go away. So that is like the #1 key if you have not tried it. Again, like I said, I got that tip from Bree Hall. If I was at home and I noticed some flaking, I would just go ahead and take some hot water, warm water. And then if I had time, I would not use a scarf. I would use my wrap strips because I'm guaranteed pretty much like 99.9% not to get flaking with these. These are made to mold your hair down. You can find them at your beauty supply store. I'm so thankful to Bree for, you know, mentioning that in her video. I don't think she did like a full-on video. I think she just mentioned it. I could be wrong. Ever since she said that, I've been using it and it works. I'll try to link an old video that I did where I actually put it to the test. What I'm gonna try to get rid of these flakes really quick is I'm going to put some hot water on my hair and see if that takes away the flakes. I'm gonna be right back. Hold on. So I watched one of Bree Hall's videos. I'm telling y'all, she's the bomb. Like, she applied, I think, warm water or hot water on like her flaky areas. I hope I'm not messing this up. But if I am, it worked for me if I'm wrong. So she applied the hot water because, you know, hot water will open up the cuticle and cold water seals it. I applied some hot water, y'all listen. So I applied hot water on this area of my hair where there was flakes. No flakes. Right here. No flakes. No flakes. Come on, Bree. Recap really quick. To prevent white residue and flaking, you want to make sure that, one, your hair is free of product buildup. Sometimes we think our hair is clean, but a lot of times we need to clarify our hair, which is for a whole different other video. But I clarify my hair once a month. I usually use the Suave Deadly Clarifying Shampoo by Suave. I mentioned that so many times in other videos, which is why you should be subscribed, sis.
Come on, tell them. Tell.
Subscribe down below, sis, if you want to be a part of the fam bam. Okay. Definitely want to make sure that your hair is full, your hair and your edges is free of product buildup. You definitely want to make sure that you have a clean edge brush. I am queen of not really cleaning my edge brush all the time, but I need it to be clean. Okay, it's my struggle sometimes, you know what I'm saying? You want to make sure that maybe you are more aware of the cream stylers that you're using. Sometimes, like I said, the cream stylers, in my experience, has caused my edges to get some buildup. But I notice when I use butters, I don't get that. When I use gels, I don't get that. Mousses, I don't get that. So for me and my hair, sometimes cream and the edge control just doesn't mix and it kind of balls up a little bit, especially if you like re-wet your hair with maybe cold water or even lukewarm water, and it starts to like reactivate or activate your cream that you already have in your hair. Then you apply the edge control and sis, it's just like, yeah, it don't work for me. And then of course, if you're gonna wrap your hair, using wrap strips. They are perfect for molding your hair and your edges and all that good stuff. So say all that stuff doesn't work, okay? And you're like, okay, sis, I tried that. So what else you got? Okay, well, listen here. I'm trying to help you, okay, sis? I'm trying to help you. You scratch. I've scratched before and I've gotten white stuff. What has really helped me was hot water or warm water. Don't burn your scalp, sis, but warm water. Either in your spritz bottle, spritzing it on your hands, and really kind of like really, you know, doing this to your edges. And for me, for my daughter, it has disappeared like that. I know a lot of you guys asked me about the edge booster and how do you stop it from flaking. So try those two. Also remember, only use a little teeny bit when it comes to edge booster. Listen, this stuff is magic. Like, I have lost my top and left it overnight, which is terrible because it's you know, bacteria. Don't do that, sis, okay? But I'm just saying, accidents happen. You busy and stuff, you know? Don't judge me, okay? What I'm saying is, a lot of other edge controls would have gotten white all up and through, air got to it. Not this. No, the stuff is amazing. It is $10, but sis, it is worth it. Anyway, I hope this video was helpful for you guys. I hope you learned something. I hope you were entertained. Thank y'all for watching. I love y'all. See you in my next video.